Life with my dogs.
Hi there, pet parents. Have you ever wondered if brushing your dog's teeth is really necessary? You're not alone. Let's dive into this question and find out why your pup's pearly whites deserve some TLC. Did you know that over 80% of dogs show signs of dental disease by the age of 3? That's because plaque and tartar build up quickly, leading to gum disease, bad breath, and even tooth loss. But it doesn't stop there. Untreated dental issues can affect your dog's heart, kidneys, and liver. So, how do you prevent this? Brushing your dog's teeth is one of the best ways to keep their mouth healthy. It removes plaque before it hardens into tartar and helps prevent gum disease. Plus, it's a great way to bond with your furry friend. Start slow. Use a toothbrush designed for dogs and pet-safe toothpaste, never human toothpaste, as it can be toxic to dogs. Let your pup sniff the brush and taste the toothpaste first. Then, gently brush in small circles, focusing on the outer surfaces of their teeth. Don't worry if you can't brush every tooth perfectly. Even a quick brushing a few times a week can make a big difference. Not all dogs are fans of brushing, and that's okay. Dental chews, toys, and water additives can also help reduce plaque. But remember, nothing beats regular brushing and annual dental checkups with your vet. So, do you really need to brush your dog's teeth? The answer is yes. A little effort now can save your pup from pain and expensive treatments later. Your dog's smile and health will thank you. Happy brushing!
Life with my dogs.